What makes Newell's the best at paint refinishing? Our two state-of-the-art 28-foot downdraft drive-through paint booths sets Newell's paint department above the rest. We are now able to accommodate larger vehicles like SUVs and crew cab trucks. The advanced drying system accelerates the curing process, providing a cleaner, stronger finish. Our experienced painter of 20 years leads a team of 3 preppers. Their commitment to perfection is continuous as they have completed the highest level of PPG refinishers training and continue ICAR training on a yearly basis. We are conscious about the environment as well as the health and safety of our paint team. We use PPG Envirobase waterborne paint as part of our commitment to decreasing our impact on the environment. With our highly trained team using the best equipment, we're able to achieve a perfect color match and durable quality finish. Schedule your repair today at newellsautobody.com.